Model, 2011 Ford Transit 85 T280M front-wheel drive needs turbo 85k low miles. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 85,586. Engine, 2,198 cc TDCI 85 PS DURATORQ-C. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo oil seals have worn. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. The engine, clutch and gearbox are good, just needs simple turbo replacement job. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.